and we are in the spirit of Mardi Gras today with treats and fun for your guests. Katie Taylor of Spray Paint and Chardonnay is here with ideas for everything to make the party perfect. We start with our color scheme, the classic, right?
Yes,
and you match. You look
thank
so
you.
cute.
I always try to dress in theme.
And I love it.
When I come, but the purple, the gold, the green, and then you're all set for Mardi Gras.
Yeah, for sure. And you said you shopped sales.
Yes.
That's how we can get
and
a
I
great
think the last
place
time I was here, I mentioned shopping the Christmas sales.
Yes.
And that green charger I got from a store at like 75% off. I think it made it 50 cents. So I just loaded up because I knew I could use it for Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
I can use it for St. Patrick's Day, Christmas next year.
Yeah.
So really, when you get those kind of staple colors, you can use it for anything.
And then
it
you
was so
just
cheap.
Mix it with simple white.
Yeah, those are actually my everyday plates.
Okay.
And I had some fun gold dinner napkins, and then I just went to the party store and got some beads and masks, and it made a perfect little tablescape.
And you can get these for a pretty inexpensive price.
Oh, they
too.
were, that mask was at maybe 99 cents.
That's
so,
perfect.
I mean, you don't have to break the bank when doing these things if you want to have people over, but you just, oh, I don't want to spend all the money.
Yeah.
I think I got all of this for maybe $20.
Lots of bang for the
Yes.
buck.
Yes.
Okay, for the adults who are coming,
Yes.
cute little kit here.
Thank you. And I love a good Bloody Mary. It doesn't have to be Mardi Gras, but now you can get just the mix in a can and like one of these little airplane vodkas, and everybody can build their own at their own pace. Maybe you want it a little stronger, maybe not so much.
Yeah.
But you can do whatever, and it's kind of a fun little interactive for your guests, and that way
Very cute.
they can just make their own little Bloody Mary.
There's something about these, though, that's just always so cute.
I love them. Anything miniature, I always kind of gravitate
for
towards.
sure.
So those are fun.
That's awesome. Okay, and then you made the cute little
Yes.
drink stir.
Yeah,
That's really
and I
cute.
had the same idea for 4th of July last year for like a fireworks, and I just took some kind of glittery pipe cleaners. It's so easy. The kids can do this. I mean, obviously not for their Bloody Mary, but maybe for their orange juice that morning.
Absolutely.
And you just stick it at the end of the straw, and I twirled mine around, but just bend them out, and they kind of look like fun little festive something for your drink.
Little firework. Yeah, you could do that for, I would like to drink that.
And you saw
that
how
all
quick
the
it
time.
was.
Yeah.
And again, another cheap, paper straws are everywhere, pipe cleaners.
Yes.
Your kids probably have them in their craft drawer, so it's really easy.
Very cute. Now, the cutest ever, mini
Thank
king
you.
cakes. I love this
Thanks.
because I always see those big king cakes. I think I want some of that. This is just
I
great.
know, and
Like
then you get the king cake and you have 2 or 3 pieces, and then it's
Yeah.
a lot. So this is perfect portion control.
Love it.
Especially if we're still on our New Year's resolutions. So these are mini king cakes, and they could not be easier or cheaper.
Okay.
And my boyfriend is the executive chef, and I cannot boil water. So this is something I can do. I told him last night, don't bother me, I'm cooking.
Yeah.
And so it's just store-bought cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
And these are the little ones. I've also done it with the bigger ones if you kind of want to get like a donut size.
Okay.
But so these, just pop them out of a can.
All right.
And so they each come individual, and this is where you kind of get a little messy, and the kids can do this, and this would be fun for them. You just roll it, kind of like a hot dog, or squeeze it.
Okay.
So you stretch it out about yay big.
Okay.
And then you just kind of, to get that king cake effect, you just twist it.
Okay.
Twist the whole thing, and then turn it into a little circle, and then press the ends together so it makes a perfect little round
little circle.
Yeah, and then you bake these in the oven. You obviously just follow the instructions on the can.
Okay.
In the oven for about 13 minutes, about 375, 400 degrees, and then they're ready to go. Let them cool for a little bit, and then you use the ready-made icing.
Yeah,
but you don't have to make that either.
And put it right on top.
Ice them, and again, this is something the kids can do, and they can use as much or as little icing.
Absolutely.
Probably a lot. And then the colored sprinkles. This is what makes it very king cakey. So you have the purple, gold, green sprinkles, and do however, and kids love sprinkles. I know, it's kind of a messy affair, so it's another thing kids really enjoy probably doing.
So a little green, a little purple, and then a little baby.
Yeah, and like I told you, I was wondering where I was going to find a bag of babies, and at the party supply store they have them, and that way everybody gets lucky and gets a baby in their king cake, so you don't have to worry about one person getting it and feeling left out.
These are precious. These are so, so cute.
And they're so easy. Yeah. You saw how easy it was.
I love it. Thanks, Katie, so
You're
much.
welcome.
Happy Mardi Gras to you.
Happy Mardi Gras.
It'll be fun. Find out more of Katie's DIY and lifestyle tips and shop online by heading to spraypaintandchardonnay.com.